Twitter is an online application that allows you to send a message that can be up to 140 characters in length to either one or many people at the same time. It's a great tool for getting your message out to a lot of people very quickly, and if your message is interesting enough, it can even get forwarded on by more people, getting your message spread even further, even faster. So let's take a look at how you can get started with using Twitter. Before you can get started on Twitter, you first need to sign up for a Twitter account. So go to www.twitter.com and a screen similar to the following will appear. Look for the New to Twitter section and click on the Give It a Try button. Next, you're asked to enter some personal details. The details you enter here will be determined by whether or not you want to create a personal Twitter account or a company Twitter account. In this case, we're going to create a company one. So the username that we're going to enter is going to be our company name. Now, you need to have a unique username. So as you enter your username, Twitter will check to see if it's available. Then enter a password and then enter the email address that will be used for any notifications from Twitter. And then click on the Create My Account button. You're then asked just to enter some words to make sure that you're not a machine and that you are in fact human. And then you're given the option to find some people to follow. We're going to skip these steps for now as we're going to cover this in a later tutorial. At this point, an email has now been sent to your email address where you need to activate your account. So go to your email address and click on the Activate link. This will then bring you to a screen like this where you're going to have to log in for the first time. So enter your username that you selected previously and the password and click on Sign In. You are then brought to your Twitter homepage. Now at the moment, we're not following any people and we haven't sent any tweets yet, so there's not a lot of information currently displayed on our screen. In order to get familiar with Twitter, we need to follow another Twitter user. When you follow someone, this means that you will see all the messages or tweets that they send. To do this, click on the Find People option in the top menu and then click on the Browse Suggestions tab. From here, we can choose from a list of the more popular users. As we are new to Twitter, let's go ahead and follow one of the Twitter users so we can keep up to date with what's going on with Twitter. When you find the user that you want to follow, simply hover over their name and click on the Follow button. Now that we are following someone, we should see all their messages. So go back to your Twitter homepage, and there they are. We can now see all the messages sent by that user. Now that we have a bit more information on the screen, let's get familiar with the Twitter homepage. Your Twitter homepage is the screen that you are brought to every time you log in. And it's from here that you can do things like send tweets to the users that are following you, see the tweets that you have received from the people you are following. This area is known as your tweet stream. You can also see the people who you are following and also the people that are following you. These are referred to as your followers. You can also switch between the various tweet views. For example, you can see all tweets that may have been sent to you directly. You could see your list of favorite tweets. You can also see any tweets that you've forwarded on to other people, known as retweets. You can also search for a tweet and much, much more. You can also get access to the various Twitter functionality from the menu at the top of the screen. So that's it. You've now registered with Twitter, you've started following your first person, and you're now familiar with the Twitter screen. So our next step is to start tweeting.